Nagsimula ang lahat sa eskwela, nagsama-samang 12.
Bakit game na game na? Okay. Para sa ating pagninilay ngayon, dalawang letrang G. Bakit po? Dahil nga po, gaya po natin, we are gold, no? Ibig sabihin ng gold, dumaan sa mainit na apoy para kayo ay kuminang at salamat sa Diyos, tunay nga na kumikinang kayo. Ngayon,
kay simple lamang ng buhay nun, walang mabibigat na suliranin. Problema lamang lagi, kulang ang datong. Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga
marami
ba?
sa inyo nag-aral, pumasok kahit walang baon. Amen. Diba? Kahit na wala tayo, hindi tayo kumapit sa padalim, kahit wala tayo, di nakontento tayo sa kung anong meron tayo.
Kayong tinatago o kay sarap ng samahang barkada, nagkawatakan na sa koleyo, kanya-kanya na ang lakaran. Kahit minsanan na lang kung magkita, magkakaibigay hindi nawala. At kung saan na napadpad ang ilan, sa dating eskwela meron din naiwan. Meron pang ang mga ilang nawala na lang, nakakamiss ang dating samahan.
Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana nga bang barkada ngayon?
Who would have thought that we would see each other again after 50 years? Indeed, a blessing to each and every one of us. Who would have thought that we would go back to our alma mater on the 50th year since we left this high school? Salamat na balbalagad sa kayo amin who made this occasion possible, classmates. I cannot thank you enough, and I'm very, very, very happy to see all of you. So let's keep the fire burning for batch 75. Life is short and we should be seeing each other again very often. Love you all.
Salamat sa kayo namin sa naming kakinig na 2 minutes katuya isang sa pangalaman tayo paglikuman na sabi.
Mandasal tayo ya, undo ko yung kumoy kulay tayo. Ayong pala, susobrahan niya pandasal, yasadin nyo isang lasos. Isang lasos kayo ni natin. Ang lapulan nyo tulong niya, nakapasya. It's better to have one breath than no breath at all.
Magkaibigan, magkaibigan, magkaibigan magkaibigan, magkaibigan, magkabarkada pa rin ngayon. Magkaibigan, magkaibigan.
Gathered back. At least half of us, some of us have gone ahead. But now we're older, wiser. We have we are now, most of us are already retired. Some are still working like me, but very much enthusiastic to keep the unity of our beloved class. So again, salamat na balbalog at kayo namin, agagi, classmates, and everyone was a stake in the Pangasinan National High School. We are not great for nothing. We are not number one for nothing. We are not the best class for nothing.
Hello everyone. Ako yung pinakauna sa linya noon, ngunit pinakahuli sa grade sheets. I would like to greet you all a happy Jubilee Homecoming. We are gold, sabi nga, kaya 50 years. We are making history of our beloved Pangasinan National High School.
Saban, hanggang po na social media, hanggang po, tayo makapaling ng kumon. Sa isang kinili, minsan sarampay tayo, wajat tayo, sabi tayo, 50 years tayo, mabilay tini, mamarsi tini, naupot tini po na 75 years, anniversary tayo. Golden Jubilee!
Happy Golden Jubilee, Batalan Span!
Happy Golden Anniversary, Batalan Span!
The glory is yours. The glory is yours, not mine, for this successful affair. With that, thank you very much. I apologize for being very emotional. Let's continue the friendship, the camaraderie that we built 50 years ago. Let's continue manaruan tayo. Let's love one another.
I'm excited and very happy to see old friends, old classmates. Ibang-iba yung damdamin pag nakikita mo talaga yung mga kasama mo nung kababata, nung kasama mo sa kahirapan, nung batang-bata pa kayo na wala pang masyadong problema sa buhay. Tapos makikita mo sila ngayon na maganda na yung estado ng buhay. So talagang nakakatuwa, nakakataba ng puso. Magkaisa pa rin tayo at lagi pa rin tayong nagkakakita-kita para maging mahaba yung ating pagsasama hanggang habang buhay sa atin.
Let this reunion a loving reminder that some of our classmates and batchmates are no longer with us. We are missing them today. Well, that's life. They have gone ahead of us, akahunaran sa isikatayo. But then they are at peace now.
We are here tonight, united, our hearts full, our spirits high, as we are rejuvenated by the friendships we have forged during our high school days.
Awarded during the high school, napakataba ng puso ko noon. Kaya hindi ko kayo makalimutan. I'm proud to announce that Bat 75 is in my heart.
I never thought that the turnout would be this big. The cooperation from everyone would be this overwhelming. This tested us actually to the limits. But at the end of the day, we all agreed that we will have one big, great, wonderful celebration where everyone will enjoy.
May gagagawa lang yung pagka
Let us see each other again. Another 50 years sana. Happy Golden Jubilee Homecoming sa inyong lahat.
Mapasalamat tayo sa Diyos na bigyan po sana tayo ng habang buhay that we can still get together. And of course, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan there's people whom we owe na nagturo sa atin. Well, maraming salamat ulit sa inyo. Hopefully, may mga susunod na isa, dalawa, tatlo, you know.
Your invitation is really a work of love. I'm here because of your thoughtfulness and your affection.
Be humble, be kind, be loving, and you will get to whatever you want. As my late father would always tell me, being proud will get you nowhere, but being humble will get you to wherever you are. And for that, that is what I've been practicing to this day.